My name is Nahed Basma. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director, Queenex Hygiene Paper Manufacturing. We are a tissue paper mill located in Abu Dhabi. We've been in this exhibition, Paper One Show, all the time. The fair was very successful, even during this difficult time. All the customers, mainly like let's say 80%, had visited us from different countries, from Syria, Turkey, Iraq, Iran, and locally and all GCC country. I believe the fair was, or the Paper One Show was good enough to be participate on next time. Thanks a lot for Mr. Tarek and the team of Paper One Show. Wish you all the best all the time. Thank you.